Welcome to another camping adventure. In this video, we visit Madonna County Park Campground in Watsonville, California, one of the most popular camping destinations in the San Francisco Bay Area. Madonna County Park is located in the Santa Cruz Mountains between Silicon Valley and the Monterey Bay region, making it an easy weekend getaway for Bay Area families and outdoor enthusiasts. The campground features multiple campsites spread throughout a forested setting surrounded by redwood and mixed evergreen trees. The drive into the campground is part of the experience. We travel through winding mountain roads lined with beautiful redwood forests before arriving at the campground deep in the woods. The campground offers many campsites with different layouts and levels of privacy. For this trip, we stayed at Campsite 322, one of my favorite sites in the campground. Later in the video, I explain why this particular site stands out for me. For this camping trip, I tested a new pop-up blackout tent. One of the main reasons I wanted to try it was the promise of quick setup and better light blocking compared to traditional tents. Also, this video is not sponsored and I did not receive any compensation for creating it. Let's start with setting up the tent. You will see a time-lapse showing just how simple the setup process is. The tent frame pops into place by extending the supports on all four sides, followed by placing the rain cover over the top. After setup, we take a tour inside the tent. This is a 4-person tent with enough room for 4 sleeping bags and camping gear. The interior is comfortable, offers good standing height, and includes mesh windows that provide ventilation while helping keep insects out. The blackout material also does an excellent job reducing outside light. Next, we explore the campground amenities. One reason I like Campsite 322 is its proximity to the restroom facilities, although some campers may prefer sites farther away for additional privacy. There is also a water source nearby and a food locker where campers can safely store food overnight to help prevent visits from wildlife and rodents. We continue exploring the campground and its family-friendly environment. The campground is popular with families and offers plenty of opportunities for kids and adults to enjoy the outdoors. After exploring, we settled back into camp and prepare dinner. For cooking, I used a Coleman 2-burner propane stove. This stove performed well during the trip and provided a convenient way to prepare meals at the campsite. As evening approaches, we light the campfire and relax around the campsite. Once darkness arrives, flashlights become essential. The campground takes on a completely different atmosphere at night, becoming quiet, peaceful, and relaxing. That concludes our first day of camping. The next morning, we wake up surrounded by redwoods and away from city life. Light drizzle moves through the campground, creating a completely different environment compared to the previous evening. Despite the wet weather, the blackout tent performed very well. No water entered the tent, and everything inside remained dry. We We take a morning walk through the campground and experience how different the forest feels in the rain and morning fog that often forms in the mountains. As the weather improves and the sun begins to appear, we start a campfire, prepare breakfast, and get ready for a day of hiking. Our first destination is a scenic vista point known for its impressive views toward the Bay Area. The route follows a well-maintained trail through the forest before reaching the overlook. Along the hike, the vegetation gradually changes from dense redwood and evergreen forest to more open woodland areas, providing a variety of landscapes and plant life to observe along the way. After enjoying the views, we head to our second hike, which takes us deeper into the redwood forest toward a grove of large trees. Along the way, we walk through changing vegetation and different sections of the forest ecosystem. The trail offers a good opportunity to observe the natural environment and appreciate the diversity of the landscape. After continuing through the forest, we finally reach the grove. Here we find impressive redwood trees and a beautiful natural setting. It is one of the best locations in the park to experience the scale and character of the redwood forest. The redwood forest supports a unique ecosystem with towering redwood trees, dense fern-covered ground, moss-covered trunks, and a rich understory of shade-loving plants that thrive in the cool, moist environment. With the hike completed, we return to our campsite and begin preparing for departure. As the camping trip comes to an end, we dismantle the tent and pack our gear. The pop-up tent once again proves its convenience, and the time-lapse shows how quickly it can be taken down and packed away. Overall, this was a great and highly recommended camping experience at Madonna County Park Campground. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.